Welcome back, everybody. It is Tuesday, April 5th. Welcome back. Hopefully, all of you are having a wonderful day. The overall crypto market cap is sitting right around $2.13 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is 40.9%. ETH dominance is sitting at 19.5%. Overall, crypto market cap is looking pretty much similar to where it was not too long ago last stream. Bitcoin is holding above 45K. ETH right around 34.50, BNB at 450, Luna 116, Cardano right around $1.20. Just a reminder, tomorrow starts the beginning of the largest Bitcoin conference in history. It's taking place down in Miami, Florida, starting tomorrow up through Saturday. Probably go over some of the highlights over that. Probably next week, may cover later this week, but we'll see what comes out tomorrow. And depending on how much stuff is presented, great news drops, we may do a video on that for Thursday. We didn't stream yesterday, and to make up for it, we're going to show you the rewards that we received over on Celsius for just staking our Bitcoin on their platform. We earned a whole $5.40 in Bitcoin for just 1 week of staking on their platform, and we earned just shy of $5 in ETH for the week. And over on Voyager for staking out our VGX, we were rewarded with roughly about $15 worth in VGX, almost. Pretty good for the month of March. And again, that number will go up as we continue to stack this token. As you can see, the RSI is showing that coin was oversold, and that's when the bulls started coming back in. Now, doesn't seem like the bulls are putting in that big of a fight right now because we are below this 45.9 line of support, and we are kind of retracing to that 45,500 line of support. We'll see what takes place here in the next few hours, the next day. Looking at the 1 hour chart, though, we can kind of see that Bitcoin is putting in a series of lower highs from its rally just a week ago. Bitcoin did top out right around 48.1, and since then it's kind of been retracing a bit, but finding higher lows, which is good. That may change again in the next few hours, but overall we're kind of going into this zone right here, and we could see a breakout to the upside or downside, but that's just what I have on my 1 hour chart. Taking a look at the daily chart, can see that Bitcoin again is starting to face this kind of overhead resistance. Has retraced a little bit, but it looks to be holding this line of support right at 45.5 pretty well for the most part. Again, that can change here in the next day or two if some devastating news comes out of Ukraine over something Russia did or maybe Ukraine did. Who knows? Anything can happen. So I do have some limit orders down here somewhere just to accumulate a little bit more Bitcoin if we go back down there. And of course, I'm stacking some VGX. Nonetheless, the meat and potatoes of this video is Voyager community update / the response to recent cease and desist that was given to them by state regulators from Indiana, Kentucky, New Jersey, Oklahoma, and a few other states. But let's just read into this. Voyager's mission, crypto accessible for consumers, and we are committed to providing the best experience for our customers during this period of innovation. 2022 is already an eventful year for crypto, and Voyager is at the forefront of the rapidly evolving crypto industry. Voyager Digital LLC has been in ongoing discussions with various U.S. securities regulators, as reported by various news outlets and disclosed in our public filings. Most recently, on March 29th, 2022, we received or became aware of certain orders from state regulators, including cease and desist orders from the state securities divisions of Indiana, Kentucky, New Jersey, and Oklahoma, and orders show cause or similar orders from the state securities divisions of Alabama, Texas, Vermont, and Washington about Voyager customer accounts that permit customers to earn rewards on their crypto balances, or the Voyager Earn accounts in their words. We expect more of these from other members of the multi-state working group of North American Securities Administration Association that is focused on the crypto industry. We want to share our views about what that means for for Voyager and our community. These regulators believe that crypto accounts offering interest payable in crypto falls within the definition of a security. We are firmly convinced that Voyager Earn accounts are not securities and intend to demonstrate our position and defend it as necessary. Furthermore, we will continue to point out to the regulators the ways in which Voyager Earns accounts work differently than many of our competitors' products. We are among the thought leaders and innovators in the crypto industry with an opportunity to work with the regulators on an effective path to offer innovative products and services to the Voyager community. We are pleased to be at the table and to be contributed to a solution. We endeavor to build trust with customers by being open and transparent about our business operations, including how we manage our customers' crypto assets held on our platform. Voyager Digital Ltd or Voyage. Our parent company is a public reporting company in Canada, listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange, and you can find its public filings and audited financial statements online through the Canadian Securities Administrators SEDAR filing system, available right there with the link. Voyage discloses in these public filings information regarding Voyager, primary operating U.S. subsidiary of Voyage that provides customers with their Voyager Earns accounts. Of course, Voyager supports appropriate regulation. We'll do our best to demonstrate these regulators that Voyager has complied with the law. All Voyager customer assets are accessible and will continue to be. Voyager expects most of these state orders will provide a transition period before becoming effective. In the meantime, Voyager customers continue to have access to all products and services on the Voyager platform as we work with each of the state's regulators. We will provide material updates as we have communications with the state regulators and or to determine the effective date of each order in each given state. We value our customers and are dedicated to running a platform that provides customers the robust yet simple solution to trade, invest, and receive high quality execution and safe custody of the crypto assets listed on our platform. We thank our customers for their continued confidence in us. More or less, they're kind of trying to reassure us that we don't have a whole lot to worry. As discussed in previous stream, Steve Elric does have some experience in the industry with regulators and stuff like that. He's been in talks with regulators, stuff like that, for over 25 years. So I think this man knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing with his company Voyager and stuff like that. I'm pretty bullish on Voyager. Again, you guys, we talked about this many times. The way Voyager makes money is a bit different in comparison to BlockFi. BlockFi made money exclusively off of loans, while Voyager makes a large chunk of its money from the spread. So again, just to reiterate what we've said in many streams before, if you're trying to buy Ethereum on Voyager, it says trying to buy it for you for $3,000. You may end up paying $3,005 or $3,010 or whatever. You may pay an extra $5-10, and that is the money that they're making off of customers. It's the spread. Nonetheless, they try to beat the initial price they offered you, so just keep that in mind. They're kind of a large scale broker, try and get you the best rates here and there. Overall, I've just been buying Voyager token on the sidelines for the past few days. I'm not too worried about these state regulators coming after Voyager and Steve Ulrich, because these are the times you want to be buying, when there's panic in the streets, when people don't know what's going to happen to the token itself. But those of us who've been around for a few months, at least for potentially 6 to 12 months, I've been on Voyager for a little bit over a year. We have this conviction that, you know what, this token is going to be huge moving forward. We like the continued additions to the platform and the perks that you get from stacking this token. Like we discussed in a previous stream, they're going to change the Voyager loyalty program from 3 tiers to 5 tiers to get as many people on board onto the loyalty program as possible. The first tier is, I think, going to start at 50 or 100 VGX. I can't remember exactly, but that's pretty cool. Again, these are the times you want to be buying the token, when there's fear and worry about what's going to happen to the token here in the short term. Long term, I'm super bullish on Voyager. As you can see, I've been buying a lot of Voyager token the past week. March 24th, I bought a little bit of VGX, where I recorded last stream, bought a little more on March 30th, bought some via a limit order that didn't activate until April 4th. I put that limit order back in on March 29th. Bought some more on April Fool's Day, the 1st of April. And I have some limit orders set if we do go lower for VGX. As you can see, got a limit order for VGX right at $1.70. We just barely touched it, but the way the limit orders work over on Voyager is, let's say I have a limit order for VGX. Well, it doesn't really get filled until VGX goes to like $1.67 roughly, and then it fills at $1.70. So it's a little annoying, but nonetheless, just have your conviction, put your limit orders in, because I think we see these fill here in the next few days. Yeah, as you can see, we are reaching the end of this line of support right here at $1.70. Again, that's not to say we can't rally back to $1.90 or $2, but pretty bullish on VGX, and I think it's gonna break down a bit further, maybe $1.50, bottoming out right around there potentially, or we could see a retracement all the way back $1.40 or maybe even $1.30. I would love it. You know me, I'm going to continue loading the boat if that happens, but overall I'm not too concerned with these state regulators going after Voyager. A thing that I like to point out, Voyager's doing this promotion now over on Twitter and Instagram, so if you don't have one, you can do it over on the other. So all you have to do is follow, like, and share on Twitter or Instagram for your chance at winning a grand prize of $100 in each of their 100 tokens that they have on the platform. If you don't get that, you have potentially chance to win $100 in VGX. $100 in VGX at today's price is like 50, 60 VGX. I will gladly take that VGX into my account any day of the week. So show you right here, I'm doing it right now. I'm liking, I'm retweeting. I already follow them. Nonetheless, go sign up for this if you guys got an Instagram or a Twitter. And then also, if you guys haven't done your taxes yet, be careful out there this tax season. IRS, they're getting ready to go after those of us in crypto that are making these stupid gains. Last year I didn't make a whole lot of gains, so I don't think I will owe a lot if I owe anything, because I did set some of those gains with taking losses before the end of the year, kind of offset those gains that I made earlier in the year, but time will tell. Maybe start your taxes if you haven't already. I mean, they're due roughly in 2 weeks, you guys. But that about does it for today's video, everyone. If you found it informative, educational, any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we go live next. I got some links down below for you to check out, so please do so. If you want to earn some passive income on the crypto that you're hodling short-term and long-term, head over to Celsius, sign up. I got a link down below, so please use that. Benefits you and me. Get trading over on Voyager and earn 7% on the VGX token. The link down below for that as well. Got to deposit $100, and as soon as you do $100 in trading that you deposited, say you just buy some VGX, in a few weeks time you should get some Bitcoin in your account just for doing that, and yours truly will get rewarded as well. So it's a win-win. If you like staying up to date with crypto prices, check out CoinMarketCap. If you like looking up news and events for altcoins and stuff like that, CoinMarketCal is your friend. There is a Visa Bitcoin signature rewards card down below in the description box, so please check that out. Earn up to 3% in Bitcoin for your first 3 months of purchases with that card. Afterwards, it just fizzles out to 1.5%. Regardless, you're stacking Satoshis, while these are the normies, as we call them, are still fast asleep. They don't know what Satoshis are. They don't see the inherent value. They don't see where the world's headed, you know? So we're ahead of the curve, you guys. Thank you for watching today. I will see you tomorrow, 10:10 Central Standard Time, maybe a few minutes late. You know the drill. But until next time, guys, have a great day and invest wisely. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.